Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Maxi Code, and in this video we're going to talk about arrays. So an array is just a specific kind of a variable which can hold more than one value at a time. So imagine we have a list of colors. So we have red color, then we have blue color, and maybe yellow color. Okay, yeah, perfect. So we defined three variables and assigned three values, and it's not that bad at the time, but if we are gonna have 10, 100, 1000, it may become a little bit overwhelming, and that's why a better solution is to create an array of colors. Yeah, and that simple. So we just list all that colors right here. Yeah, let's just keep an order. Okay, yeah. So we have one variable and an array of colors, and we can easily access these colors. For example, we want to say that we want to get the first item of that array, and this is gonna be red. So make sure you got that. We have a numeric index in this array, and it starts from 0. So okay, let's just check that out. Yeah, works absolutely fine. Let's just get blue, okay, and yellow. Okay, perfect. So I have to mention that PHP has an old-fashioned syntax for arrays, and this is an old-fashioned colors, and just another syntax. It is absolutely identical to the previous one. So these two lines are absolutely identical, but this is a new-fashioned and a little bit more young way to create arrays in PHP, and I highly recommend you to use this one and just omit this one. But if you see that declaration in some legacy code, don't be frustrated. It is almost the same as not almost, I'm sorry, it is absolutely the same as this syntax. So yeah, okay. So okay, we just covered the syntax of an array on the numeric arrays in PHP, and I want to show you how to get the length of this array. Let's just check that out. So okay, we have 3 elements, and if we add another element, we're gonna get 4. Okay, yeah, perfect. So what if we want to loop through this array and echo all of these colors? So that's simple. So we got the length of this array with the count $colors. So yeah, sorry. And we have our $I variable that's just gonna go from nil to the length of this array -1. So okay, just a for loop we covered in several tutorials before, and let's just check that out. Yeah, red, blue, yellow, brown. Okay, perfect. Let's just add a little bit of space. Yeah, absolutely outstanding. And let's just add another color and check that it works. It works really good. Okay, perfect. So this is an index with a numeric array, but PHP has an associative arrays, and okay, let's just talk about them too. So imagine we have a people array, and we want to store people and their credit cards, maybe. So we want to say that John Doe has a credit card with the ID 12345. So and John Brown has another credit card with an ID 55555. Okay. So this is an associative array. So this index is not a numeric; it can be string, and that's why it is called an associative array, and we can easily access it by just saying the same, by just accessing this index. So we want to get what kind of credit card does John Brown use, and absolutely easy. Let's just check that out. Yeah, it works. So we just got a value of this key. So this is a key and this is a value. We can easily access John Brown right here. Let's just check that out. Yeah, works pretty well. So okay, let's just say we wanna loop through these people. Let's just rename it to an array as a person and credit card. So okay, this syntax is just a simple for each loop, and here we have a person which is going to be associated with keys, and a credit card which is going to be associated with these values. So let's just echo this out, and we want to echo the person, then we want to add a colon and his credit card. Yeah, and just a little bit of space. Okay, let's just check that out. Yeah, it works pretty fine. So that is all for the associative arrays and then arrays in a PHP with a numeric array. And PHP also has a multi-dimensional array. For example, you can have an array of, I don't know, JD and some array right here, and you can put some keys right here and some values here. So but this is a little bit more advanced, and you won't probably need it at the starting point. So we will definitely talk about them a little bit later, but for now that is all. So thank you for watching, and make sure you got that, because arrays and associative arrays in particular is a very common place in almost all PHP applications, websites. So this is a very important part to get. So okay, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk about classes, OOP, object-oriented programming in PHP in the very next tutorial. So this is probably the last tutorial you have to get before we dive into some programming, some real-life programming in PHP, before we create our web pages and websites. So we just need a little bit of knowledge to get, and we're gonna be done. So okay, thanks again for watching, and just go to my next tutorial with a PHP OOP. Okay, see you there, guys.